Oh my god.
Hey guys, JSI Moto here. We're actually meeting with the guy on Craigslist right now selling a mini bike. So I think gotta check my phone. Yep. Alright. He said we're meeting at a park right now, so we're gonna see how this goes. But I don't know for sure if it's my mini bike. There was no pictures, but we're gonna check it out. Why not? But thought might as well video it. I think it's this park. I'm gonna try here. He said there's somebody sitting over there. I'm gonna go check. I don't know if that's it. I'm gonna check. All right. Hey, you the one with the Craigslist ad? Alright, what's up? Where'd you get this bike from?
My cousin actually. I got it from my cousin. He just gave it to me.
Your cousin? Sweet. You have a nice cousin.
Yeah.
You buy it from him or he gave it to you?
No, it was a Christmas present. You know?
Christmas present.
Yeah. It's just, it's not working out.
Well, I mean, like, it's a pretty nice engine. How much you asking for? $350?
Yeah.
I mean, I could do $350. But the problem is I don't have money because this is my bike.
No, it's actually not.
No, this is actually my bike.
My cousin gave it to me.
No, dude, I'm not even playing. This is my bike. We have evidence, video evidence of someone taking it from my driveway.
I'd love to see it.
And I'm just.
My cousin gave it to me.
I'm gonna have to. I don't know if that's true or not, but this is my bike, so I'm gonna take it.
No, you can't actually.
Well, it's my bike, and I have proof that it's my bike.
No, you don't.
Well, I'm gonna go take it. I'm gonna take it, but I have the evidence of someone taking it.
Well, I haven't seen the evidence.
Well, it doesn't matter if there's no evidence. This is my bike.
Prove it.
Prove it. This is my bike. I built it. I put that engine on it. Went to Harbor Freight, bought a little Predator engine, threw it on. You don't even know what this bike is. These handlebars are custom. There's no other handlebars. I put a thumb throttle on it. Your cousin made them.
Yeah, take the bike.
No, I'm gonna take it, dude. Oh. This is my bike. If you want it. No. Yes, this is my bike. It's not your bike. Yes, it is. This is my bike, dude. I have video evidence that this is my bike. No, dude, you want to go? I will go. Like, you want to go right now? Get down. I'm serious. Like, I will call the cops right now. This is my bike. I'm taking it back. I built it. Yes. The cops are on their way. If you want to. All right, I got my bike back. That guy is definitely going to jail. I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna press any charges on him because he's young. He's 14 years old, so. But still, I don't care if a cousin gave you something stolen. It's my mini bike and it's my dirt bike, and it's on video. So, yeah, I actually got it back, boys. Yeah, he's not even here anymore. He's gone.